Ah, way they go. Sound value from the outside, extreme connection. Kaligatan is racing from the outside. Golden Rage on the further outside. Quick play down on the inside. Inside the last 600. Extreme connection. Kaligatan, sound value. Quick play racing import by Daral rushing up is double racing. Rather number 2 is, and this one is Diamond Magic. Last 450 extreme connection by Alenkanha, followed by Karigatan. And moving up by the Diamond Magic, sound value, quick play. And nearing the last 250 meters more to run. Extreme connection, Diamond Magic down on the inside, Karigatan, quick play, sound value. Elgin, strong boy. And nearing the finish line, Diamond Magic by some 2 legs now. And finally, Diamond Magic. Close. Karigatan, quick play. Close for 4th and 5th. Sound value is strong boy. Strength connection. Then comes double racing.